Hi YouTube, my name is Jay Brown. Welcome back to my channel. I am here today to do a quick unboxing with you guys. This is one of the items that I picked up from the Black Friday sale. Actually, two items. I have a smaller item here and I will get this unwrapped, but I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway very soon. And this is one of the items in the giveaway. And then this is a bag in that beautiful oxblood color. So I am going to unwrap this really quickly and then show you all what I picked up. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have the item unwrapped. This is the Coach Clara, I want to say it's a hobo, but here's the tag. Yeah, this is the Coach Clara. I don't know if it's a crossbody or a hobo, you guys, but like I said, here's the tag. And let's go ahead and get the rest of the wrapping off so you guys can see the color of these straps. So here is the crossbody strap, and as you can see, it is a very dark leather color. I would say it is definitely, I think oxblood is an appropriate name for it because it is like a deep brownish burgundy color. Very pretty. Here is the hang tag. I don't know why it feels like it's kind of warped. And then I love when Coach does this type of detailing. Turn around. I love it when Coach does this type of detailing on the bags where they put the little gold end cap on the zipper pull or on the zipper. That is so pretty to me. I love that touch. So I have it completely unwrapped. Here is the shoulder strap, and I think that is just so pretty, you guys. So I chose to go with the Clara because I was not entirely sure about the city tote initially. The mini city tote, I should say. I was not really sure about that. Mainly the size, I don't know. But now I kind of want one, thanks to Miss Percival. But here's what the bag is looking like from all angles. Let's unzip her. Okay. I removed the stuffing. This is what she looks like on the inside. There is a long slit pocket on the back wall. And no other pockets in this bag. So I don't know. I can't wait to come back and do a what's in my bag for you guys. And then I did bring down two other pieces for you all to check out, so give me a second. So I also have here the large wristlet, and here it is in front of the bag for size comparison. So this is a large wristlet with the Clara crossbody. So this crossbody, it's actually a pretty good size, you guys. And then here is the pencil case with the bag. So as you can see, the pencil case is shorter than the bag, so it will definitely fit in. So I'm just going to add those two items inside the bag so you guys can see what it looks like. Wristlet. And I'm going to add the pencil case. And here's what they look like together inside that bag. As you can see, lean it towards the light. As you can see, there's quite a bit of space in there. So this is actually a good size bag, and I cannot wait to carry it. So this is super cute. I think this is a perfect everyday bag for people who don't carry much. I love the fact that it has both the shoulder strap and a crossbody strap. And I think it will be a fantastic carry. And then before we go, let me show you guys this little mirror that I picked up. This is one of those Coach mirrors that came on the site for Black Friday. And this is the heart-shaped mirror. So I'm not going to take it all the way out the packaging because, like I said, you guys, this is actually going to be a part of an upcoming giveaway. I said that I was going to do a giveaway when I hit 1,500 subscribers, and I have now surpassed that. So thank you guys so much for continuing to support my channel. So I'm going to be giving away this and one other small piece, just as a thank you to you guys for the continued support. I wanted to share with you guys really quickly my 2023 annual Candle Day Bath and Body Works haul part 1. So these are the items that I went into the store and picked up this afternoon. I will say a lot of the good candles were gone like I expected them to be, which is exactly why I went into the store. Which is exactly why I placed an order online first thing Friday morning. So let's go ahead and get into it. I picked up 6 in store, but I only have 5 here to show you guys. So this first one here is Twisted Peppermint, and I got it, I'm not gonna lie y'all, I got it because it's pink and it's cute. Here is the lid, and the notes in this one are cool peppermint, sugared snow, fresh balsam, vanilla buttercream, and a hint of musk. So cute, and I love a good pink candle. The next one I picked up, this is Fireside or Marshmallow Fireside. You guys, this is a definite favorite for me. I have burned through, I don't know, at least 3 of these, I want to say. And I'm currently burning one right now in my living room. The notes in this include toasted marshmallow, smoldering woods, fire roasted vanilla, crystallized amber, and natural essential oils. This is a definite favorite and a continued repurchase. So every year, if they have it, I'm gonna get it. And it reminds me, in the body care, it reminds me of the Bonfire Bash. Now this next one, I did not pick up online because I wanted to smell it in the store, but this is Candy Emporium, and I love the pink and green together. That mint green is beautiful. The notes on this one is fruity candy, sweet confection, pillowy mints, and natural essential oils. So this one is like fruity and tart, but it also has a hint of mintiness, and I love that as well. So that's different. I could see that being a good one to transition into spring with. This one gives major warm and cozy vibes. And then I have never burned Twisted Peppermint. I do have the body care and I like it. So I'm gonna have to see how that one burns. This next one is White Chocolate Macadamia. And I just love the packaging. I love how neutral and pretty it is. So that's why I picked this one up. This one is a very warm and creamy scent. The notes are, it says chewy cookie filled with crunchy macadamia nuts, white chocolate chips, and natural essential oils. So definitely cannot wait to burn that one too. And then this last one is Pumpkin Cupcake. That label is so pretty. I hope I'm in frame. Pumpkin Cupcake. And the label is so pretty on that. The notes on this one include whipped buttercream, Madagascar vanilla, pumpkin spice, freshly baked cupcake. So this is part 1 of my Candle Day haul for this year, you guys. I want to know in the comments, what did you guys get? Thank you guys to everyone who participated in the poll yesterday. And I agree with you all. I don't need any more candles either, but you can't beat $10. So this is primarily when I stock up and get all of my goodies from Bath and Body Works is this time of the year for the household for candles. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.